Hanzo, like, I swear to God, I know I
His
shouldn't be using
ultimate
your
now is
shield.
so sick.
I was behind your shield for 1 second, and the Hanzo used the room clearing arrow to go around it.
I like how he's like, I guess you press Q hardest. It's like, yeah, McCree. Nice, mate. Nice. At least it's his fucking Q that one-shots people.
I told him that it presses Nan the hardest.
Not enough people, huh?
It's high noon.
It's high noon.
Insta kills the entire team.
Right?
His ult is shit, to be fair.
Okay, found huh?
I just think his ultimate shouldn't be able to one-shot a tank.
That's the whole point of his ultimate, though.
Including his fan the hammer, his fucking insta-reload,
Yeah,
and
nothing
his
to do with
fucking
his ult.
flashbang that's broken.
His ult's actually fair because the more health you have, the longer it takes to charge up the one shot on you. It takes longer to lock on the more health you've got. Same as if you use Lucio's shield, it basically makes them irrelevant because everyone's got so much health, it takes so
Yeah,
long.
but what I mean is like, if you have this flashbang and fan the hammer with that is just overpowered.
No, his ult's honestly shit. Fan the hammer and his flashbang is where the strength is. Like, his ult's trash.
His ult works if no one's looking his way.
User joined your channel.
Nick.
C-shirt.
Honestly, guys, it's not our fault. We're trying to choose specific classes. I think
Yeah,
the-
actually.
I think the only reason why we
User
lost
was
this last
moved
two
out of
games
your left your channel.
was because we didn't have a decent healer or healer at all.
Pretty much.
We don't have one again.
We do. Me. I'm Roadhog. I'll heal myself all game.
Oh my God, are you serious?
They have a Lucio, obviously.
Enemy heavily damaged.
Yep.
Yeah.
And they have two McCrees, of course they do.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, I just got fan the hammered by two people at the same time.
Yep, two McCrees.
Oh, hell.
What's up, yo?
Good job.
On point, guys, while my leg.
I don't know.
It's alright, it's alright. Not you.
Okay.
I don't really expect you to be there, Willie, because you can be wherever you want to be in about 2 seconds anyway.
Oh, can't you hit me?
Oh,
Oh, motherfucker.
Kill
Fuck
him.
hysterics, mate.
They tried to hold him off until everyone else is at the point again, but that didn't work out. Did it? Well, sure. Getting the point.
I'm looking at it on Roadhog and he moves at about 1 mile an hour.
Son of a bitch. That's stun.
Hello.
Good job.
Honestly autism. I'm not even playing a tank because it's pointless in this game.
That's stun. Again.
How come that we lose the point only when we're all dead?
Oh mate, there's probably answers to your own question a little bit there.
Not all of us, I mean like us here on the TeamSpeak, not the randoms.
Yeah.
They
I
literally cannot
haven't actually
manage.
got to the point in 4 pushes because I've just been insta-killed on my way there, so I wouldn't know personally.
Oh, what? Lucio got me. What the fuck? Oh, I think it backblasted me.
Hello, yes, McCree, can I spawn? Thanks. Oh, careful, skill. I'm not gonna make it in time.
The McCree bullet's killing me.
Okay, nice.
Doesn't matter if McCree one-shots me as Diva. He'll just shoot me in his fucking head while he's reloading.
To be fair, he one-shots everyone.
But it doesn't matter as Diva because you get a second chance and it's just a check.
That's why.
Oh my god, sorry, someone just landed on my arm and I was like, fuck, I fucking freaked out, man. I thought it was a spy.
Oh, man.
I shot the guy in the head and he fucking survived.
I need fire support.
Nice. Oh yeah, the Skiller boys.
On point, guys, on point.
It's that Winston that just stayed alive.
Right, Genji sorted them all out.
Cool. Fuck this.
How to get people off the point.
Not gonna lie, I did not expect this to work.
Two hands.
Twice.
Oh, man. Reversed right back into that.
Okay, fucking hey, fucking hilarious. What is our Hanzo doing? What is this guy doing?
Please don't start BMing people, it's really not going to help.
Started.
We need to get on that point if they can.
Ah,
Anyone?
I'm trying. Hell.
This Hanzo just shot his ultimate into the air. Is he
He
serious?
shot
What?
it into the point.
Yeah, but
Never mind,
no.
what's the enemy Hanzo? What the fuck? I didn't even notice that a Junkrat. On that one. When does McCree actually get nerfed? Like, is there a date?
Yeah, honestly, it's no fun playing against him anymore.
Yeah, seriously. Like, I thought I was like the only one being bothered by his flashbang and everything. No, no, it's actually getting nerfed. And I was like, okay, I was not the only one. Oh boy, same McCree team again.
They're gonna nut job is on our team. The fucking soldier. Lord Rock is on our team. Broke is on our team now.
No support, fun.
Our victory is in sight.